Hey, welcome to Everyday Jewish Mom. My name is Marty and I have a Rosh Hashanah recipe for you today. I'm going to be making an apple upside down cake, kind of like a pineapple upside down cake, but a Rosh Hashanah version. So I will be using apples and honey in there for that classic Rosh Hashanah combination. This is incredibly easy and looks really impressive, which I think is the goal for anything I cook. I don't know. It would make a really good hostess gift. And I'm using a cake mix, which is part of the reason it's so easy. Today, this video is a collab with a slew of other amazing Jewish YouTubing moms. I put all of their links below. They have videos coming out on things to do with your kids, decor, everything. So that is all down there. While you're down there, don't forget to subscribe. I put out new videos all the time. I have a new series called Jewish Kids from Scratch for everyone who is new to celebrating Jewish holidays or needs a little brush up. The oven is ready. It's time to start cooking. First, we're going to need an apple. And then we're gonna peel it and slice it up. Any type of apple will do here. Use whatever you have in your house. Nice thin slices, probably thinner than you're seeing me slice them here. A little more magic for you. Just goes faster that way. And you're gonna use these slices to decorate the bottom of your pan, which will then be the top of your cake. On to our next step. This cake pan has 2 tablespoons of melted butter in it. I melted them by putting them in the pan and then putting the pan into the oven. Oven is hot, so you just put in there long enough to melt the butter. 1/4 cup of brown sugar and 3 tablespoons of honey. Honey is not a typical ingredient in an upside down cake, but of course it's Rosh Hashanah, so we want our apples and honey. And it adds a beautiful honey flavor. It reminds me a bit of baklava. So go ahead and stir all of this delicious mixture together, and then we're gonna layer our apples in there. And now I'm going to lay in my apples. You can actually do them a bit tighter than this. They do shrink up when you bake them. I'm going to make my cake mix according to the instructions on the box. You could also use your own yellow cake recipe. And keep in mind here, I'm only making 1 8-inch cake, which means I only need half of this batter. So you could do something else with the other half, or you could easily double this recipe and make a 9 by 13 pan. Here's the upside down part. When it comes out of the oven, put your serving dish on top and flip it over. And then wait about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna do a little magic again, so that all that goodness can drip into the cake. There we go. Look at how beautiful that is. Ta-da! See guys, I told you it'd be easy. Just like that. So I hope you all have a wonderful Rosh Hashanah. Check out all of the videos from all of my friends in the links below for all sorts of more Rosh Hashanah content. Once again, subscribe to me. I have an email that goes out weekly. If you want some of this Jewish content just showing up in your email box without you having to work for it. And check out what else we've got going on. Shana Tova!